In a significant development, Russia and India are accelerating negotiations for a new bilateral investment treaty. This comes at a time when trade between the two nations has hit record levels, surpassing $60 billion in 2023, far exceeding expectations. In this video, we'll explore how this treaty will impact the growing economic ties between the two countries, the key sectors of collaboration, and the broader geopolitical implications. The bilateral investment treaty between India and Russia dates back to the mid-1990s, but in 2017, India terminated this and other similar treaties with 58 countries. The move was aimed at negotiating new treaties that strike a better balance between investor rights and responsibilities. Now, in 2024, both countries are actively working on a new agreement to strengthen economic cooperation. This treaty gained momentum after a meeting between Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Russian President Vladimir Putin in July, during which both leaders stressed the need to finalize a modernized investment treaty to promote and protect mutual investments. The surge in trade between Russia and India is remarkable, with the $60 billion mark surpassed for the first time last year. This is more than double the previous target set by both nations' leaders. A major contributor to this growth has been India's import of Russian oil and coal, which has significantly expanded since the outbreak of the Ukraine conflict. But both Moscow and New Delhi recognize the importance of diversifying trade beyond hydrocarbons. The new investment treaty is expected to facilitate this diversification, bringing investments into other key sectors, such as technology, agriculture, and infrastructure. Aside from energy trade, India and Russia have a strong relationship in defense manufacturing and nuclear energy. Russia's Rosatom is involved in constructing India's largest nuclear power project in Tamil Nadu. Moreover, defense cooperation includes licensed production of T-90 tanks, Su-30 MKI fighters, and BrahMos missiles. Looking to the future, both nations are focusing on transportation and logistics as well. The Indian government recently approved a plan to build a major port in Vadhavan, Maharashtra, to boost trade with Russia and Central Asia. This port will be part of the International North-South Transportation Corridor, which aims to provide a faster and cheaper alternative to the Suez Canal for transporting goods. India's continued economic engagement with Russia comes despite Western scrutiny. The West has accused India of helping Russia bypass sanctions imposed by the US, EU, and their allies. Yet, India has maintained its independent stance, pursuing its economic and strategic interests while working closely with Moscow. The investment treaty, once finalized, will likely strengthen this bond further and could set the stage for more extensive cooperation in sectors critical for both nations' economic and geopolitical strategies. One of the key takeaways from Modi and Putin's summit was the ambitious goal of reaching $100 billion in annual trade turnover by 2030. With bilateral trade already soaring, the new investment treaty and planned projects like the Vadhavan port will play a critical role in achieving this target. India and Russia are rapidly advancing their economic relationship, and the new investment treaty is set to be a game changer. As the two countries work to diversify their trade and investment portfolio, their collaboration could have far-reaching implications not just for their economies, but for global trade and geopolitics as well.